Hello people, welcome to you all. Today I am going to show how to add skin tone in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Let's open the image. Let's select Pen tool and draw a basic outline of the nose. Make sure your stroke color is filled, not the fill color. Now select all the strokes and group them. Now with the strokes selected, choose Eyedropper tool or press I on keyboard, then choose the most darker skin color all over the image, switch it to stroke color. And then select appropriate stroke width as per your image size. And choose this width profile, which makes nice strokes end. We can always modify the strokes by direct selection tool, which can be activated by pressing A in keyboard. Now let's draw this shaded or dark part of the nostril. Now choose Eyedropper tool and choose its color. Let me create a rectangle so that we can see the result. Let me choose the skin color and let me place the rectangle in the bottommost layer, so that above layer is visible. To send it to bottommost layer, you need to select the object and press Ctrl plus Shift plus left bracket in the keyboard. Let me cut it and paste it to new layer so it won't affect us while working in this layer. I will lock this rectangle layer, and we can look back and forth with this hide layer option. Now with the pen tool selected, let's trace the most darker skin tone in the image. Choose Eyedropper tool and select the color behind it, and make sure to keep this shape behind all layers, so that nose curve is visible. Similarly, let's trace this shaded part now. Now the process is same for different level of shades in the skin. Make sure to send it back of all layers. Now I am tracing all the same level of shade at once. Find the same level of skin tone and trace them out. If you completed tracing out the one level of shades, then select all shapes and group them. With the shapes selected, choose its color with eyedropper tool as we have done before. Now let's trace all the highlighted part of the skin. I am choosing different color so that we can see what am I doing. Similarly, select all of them, and group them, then choose its color. Here I am choosing the base skin color. And then its lighter shade of highlight color with the color picker tool. Now let's blend all the skin tones. Select the shapes, then go to Effects, and then to Blur, and then to Gaussian Blur. Here tick the preview box, and choose the level of blur you want. I think this much is good for me. It depends as per the size of shapes, so the blur level could be different for your image. Now repeat this process for all the other shades. If you think you need to change something, you can always edit the shapes with Direct Selection tool. Let's add another level of shades in it, to make it more dynamic. The more shades you add, the better it looks. Select all, group them, fill the color, and blend it as we have done it before. you can play with the opacity level to blend it more properly. Let's change all the shape's opacity to blend it properly. We can even blur this curve to blend it with the image. So that's it guys, you can give your feedback suggestions in the comment section below, keep supporting,